Hello, everyone. I hope everyone's having a good day. Today, we're seeing a slight recovery in the markets. I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about why everything was falling till yesterday, what happened, what on earth happened to Luna and UST, where I think the price of these two coins will go, and yeah, also do some technical analysis on BTC because I have something very important that I found on the charts and that I need to show you because we might be at the definite floor. So let's start with Terra Luna. Yeah, I'm going to start talking about that. And first of all, if you guys use Binance, you might have noticed that you are not able to buy or sell or trade Luna anymore. This is because Binance has delisted Luna from its platform, given the low liquidity and the recent chaos that has been going on. Now, um, the scandal, the Luna and UST scandal, might be the perfect excuse for regulators to start getting more rigorous with stablecoin laws and regulations. This is, of course, not good for Tether or any other stablecoins because um, all governments want a centrally controlled stablecoin rather than decentralized stablecoin, right? They want to have control. Now, this can be good or bad depending how you take it. I don't think, to be honest, it's a bad thing. Now, the reason I say this is because if you guys imagine all of the people that had their savings in UST, and they firmly believe that this was a stable coin pegged to the US dollar, the value should be always equal to $1. Yeah. And now the value, I looked at the chart a few minutes ago, and the value is at 10 cents. Yeah. So it has gone down by 9/10 of its value, which is crazy. Imagine investors having millions of dollars in USD. They have lost more than 90% of the value of their portfolio. So regulation, maybe it's not a bad thing, to be honest. Now, um, for UST and Luna to make a comeback, if that's going to happen, which I don't think it's very likely, the Doc One and the other guys in charge of the Luna Foundation would need to redesign the system from zero. Yeah. Now, if we take a look at Twitter, and let's go and see Doc One's Twitter. Yeah. His latest tweet was 2 days ago, and he was talking um, that he's working to resolve this crisis, which probably means that they are changing the code on how Luna and UST works. Now, given all of the money that went out of the market with Luna and UST crash, I think a potential recovery is very hard, to be honest. If we take a look at Terra UST Twitter, official Twitter, it says that the Terra blockchain has officially halted. This was 8 hours ago. And the Terra validators have halted the network to come up with a plan to reconstitute it. All right. So they are working on a plan to, as I said, to redesign Terra, the Terra ecosystem. Okay. It's not only crypto that's falling. I want you guys to have that in mind. Gold, stocks, bonds, everything is falling. Yeah, everything is falling. And the reason for that, the main reason is that um, America is seeing its highest inflation in 40 years, right? The inflation has been the highest in 40 years, 8.3%, if I'm not mistaken. And so theoretically, crypto or Bitcoin should be a good hedge against inflation, right? Because its supply is limited, unlike the US dollar, right? Theoretically, okay. But um, the fact that crypto is still falling despite the high inflation, this shows that investors are scared, and investors, whales, institutions still see Bitcoin as a risky investment. Okay, they don't see it as a hedge against inflation yet. In the future, I do believe that it will be, and that when there's high inflation, the value of Bitcoin will go up. But right now, that's not the case. And what investors are probably doing right now is they are saving in US dollars to buy back everything at lower prices. All right. Now, guys, let's go to the charts here. I'm on the BTC daily chart, and I want you guys to see something right here. Now, let's I want you guys to look at this right here. Look at this candle right here, which I marked with this circle right here. And this is an absorption candle. Okay, the price was going down. Yeah, the price was going down on the daily chart. Yeah, and then look at this. Let me take out the circle right here. Look at the wick right here. Look at this. Look at this. So so this shows a lot of buying pressure at these levels. And now, right now, today, we are seeing this daily green daily candle, which if it closes in around 13 hours is the close. If it closes above this previous red candle, this will be a bullish, a very bullish engulfing candle, and this is a very bullish sign, and it might indicate that we have a double bottom right here. I want you guys to go ahead and take a look at this. So I want you guys to understand this level of support. It's really strong. There's a lot of demand and buying pressure right here, and on top of that, we see this absorption candle. And then look at the volume. Look at the volume right here. Look at the volume right here. I'm going to put a line right here. There we go. Look at the volume. The volume is the highest that it's been since around June last year. Okay, and it's true that the volume bars are red, but you guys have to understand but that for people to be selling, there have to be people buying what they're selling. With this really low volume right here, this indicates that there was not a lot of people buying. And right now here, there there has been a surge of buy pressure at around this level of support, and this might indicate the start of a week of distribution pattern and a spring that might push the Bitcoin price up, and this might actually be the bottom for Bitcoin. Yeah. Now 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 I want you guys to take a look at um the Dow Jones and the S&P 500, and and look how correlated the movement is to crypto. Yeah, and I always say this on Cryptojack's official Telegram group, that there's a lot of correlation between the Dow Jones, the S&P, and crypto. And if we are seeing an overall downtrend on stocks, bonds, gold, then that will cause a downtrend on crypto. Yeah, they're very closely correlated. And now we see um a bullish candle, and which might be a bullish engulfing candle like what we're seeing on Bitcoin. This candle closes exactly 10 hours and 9 minutes. So if we do see this bullish engulfing candle closing and above the previous bearish candle, this might indicate as the start of our recovery, which is of course really really good. And I know everyone would like to see the market start to recover. Now the market is in extreme fear right now, and historically it has been proven that extreme fears in the market are the best moments to buy for long term. So um I really believe that right now would be a good time to buy for long-term holding and accumulation. And I think this could be a possible bottom. Now anything can happen, but um let's go.